furthest reaches of the earth, untouched by human hands, nature holds dominion, fierce and untamed. Fire, ancient and relentless, rises from the depths, a force that nurtures and consumes. Water, steady and immense, shapes the world, carving valleys and chiseling stone through the ages. Air, unseen and unbound, sweeps across the highlands, carrying whispers of change and secrets. Earth, steadfast and enduring, harbors a myriad of lives, each struggling, thriving, enduring. Embark on an extraordinary journey where wonder meets raw power and the wild breathes beneath our very feet. Feeling Nature in Access English 2025. Coming soon, witness the untold rhythm of our planet.